Ndewonu, ndị Igbo na-amasị. Greetings to you lovers of Igbo. Na-abịala n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. Welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. So today we'll be learning some basics of our everyday expression. You know, some of the words we use in our everyday interaction. The basics of it. So for instance, let's look at this word. To speak. Wo. Wo. Does that sound funny? Wo, that means to speak. So if someone say woku, means speak. Say something. Maybe they're asking you a question and you're just quiet. Say, hey, woku, my friend, say something. So wo oku, say something. Then when someone speaks and you didn't hear the person, you can ask, Gini ka oku. Gini ka oku. What did he or she say? Or you can also ask, Hakuru gini, ha is they. What did they say? So if it is one person, you can say, Osegini okuru gini. What did he or she say? Then if you want the person to speak louder, you can say, Welitolu. Speak louder. Welitolugi. It literally means increase the volume of your voice. So, but they're just trying to tell you to speak louder. So, wo, speak. Woku, say something. Okurugini, what did he or she say? Hakurugini, what did they say? You sent someone to go and deliver a message to some people, and the person comes back and you're asking them, Hakurugini, what did they say? Or Okurugini, what did he or she say? Alright. Then there's another word that's similar, like a synonym. Say. 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 To say something. Remember, wo is to speak. Say is to say. So I can ask you, Isegini, what did you say? Isegini, what did you say? You said what? That's the literal meaning. Isegini, you said what? Or it's just what did you say? All right. I can now tell you, ask him, give me chion. I said you should keep short. If you're making noise. And I murmured it under my breath. And you now ask, Isegini, what did you say? I said you should keep short. Ask him, give me chion. So you can also say any other thing. Ask him, give bia. I said you should come. Or then you can ask, what did he or she say? Or segini. See, they are very simple expression, but we use it every day. Or segini. So what did he or she say? The response can be, Osim, he said this to me. Osim werochi. He said I should. He or she. That or is a pronoun for he, she, it. He or she said I should take a seat. Osim werochi. He or she said I should take a seat. So another one, hasiyagini. What did they say to him or her? They said what to him or her? Hasiyagini. They said what to him or her. Now, watch out for our video on pronoun. If you get that pronoun video, when you understand the pronoun, you can use it to play around these words. So you can also say oseyagini. What did he or she say to him or her? Isimgini. What did you say to me? So another word that looks like a synonym again is gwa. Means tell. Gwa. Tell. So I can say gwayabia. Tell him or her to come. It can also be a synonym for say. So gwayabia, or somebody can also say siabia. That means tell him or her to come. So say is to say, gwa is to tell. Gwayabia, tell him or her to come. Then when someone is talking, you can ask, Inagwam, are you talking to me? Are you telling me? So, Anamagwagi, I am talking to you. Or I can also ask, I can change the tone and say, maybe when you interrupt in what I'm saying that does not concern you, I can ask, Anamagwagi, am I talking to you? Children do that a lot. Anamagwagi, am I talking to you? Then it can also be a statement. Anamagwagi, I am talking to you. All right. Another way you can use it, Osim gwa gị bịa. He or she said, I should tell you to come. Osim gwa gị bịa. Or he or she said, I should tell you to come. So another way you can use it, aga m agwa nne gị. You did something wrong, and I'm threatening you. Say, I'll tell your mom. I'll tell your mother. So then you can also ask, Gịnị ka ị gwara ya? What did you tell him or her? Gịnị ka ị gwara ya? When you hear someone talking to someone and you want to know what they're talking about, say, Gịnị ka ị gwara ya? What did you tell him or her? So, can also be a question. Ọ gwara gị gịnị? What did he or she tell you? Ọ gwara gị gịnị? What did he or she tell you? Right. Another verb that is like that too. Another one, swore, to speak a language. Swore, that one means to speak a language. So I can ask you, in Asu Igbo. I can't say in Asi Igbo. That say is to say. I can't say, do you say Igbo? So swore means to speak. In Asu Igbo. Do you speak Igbo? You can then answer, Ana m asụ Igbo. I speak Igbo. Then I may now say, sworo m Igbo ka m nụ. Sworo m, you see I'm playing with that word, swore. Sworo m Igbo ka m nụ. Speak Igbo for me. Let me hear. So then you can also say, Ana m asụ asụsụ atọ. I speak 3 languages. Ana m asụ asụsụ atọ. I speak 3 languages. So swore is to speak. So now remember what we did. We looked at 4 different verbs. Now we looked at speak, wo, woku. We looked at say, that's say, to say something. We looked at tell, wa, to tell something to someone. Then we looked at speak a language, swore. So we looked at these 4 verbs and we looked at how you can use it in your everyday expression. So we'll do more about this everyday expression in our subsequent videos. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Daalụ, ka emesịa.